are basically aware that why we are talking about social media marketing, because it is again one of a very important medium. Why it has become so important? Because over the past years you will find that people joining social media, the number of accounts depend on social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. It always increasing. It is always increasing. So it gives an opportunity for the organization to tap or to get a very big bulk of users where they can target their products or services. Basically, the objectives for a company to enter into social media can be for customer engagement, for brand building, for lead generations, for getting more businesses, and for conversions. Conversion means getting the business and closing the sales. Right. So let us start the exam this chapter. I think uh, some of you are still having your mic in the mute. Please mute your mic, otherwise echo will be going on. N Chandelier. ठीक है. So let us discuss social media marketing. We all are aware what is social media. These are computer mediated tools which allow people or companies to create, share, or exchange information for the purpose of creating interest by posting some contents, some pictures, some videos, and targeting the audience in the virtual community. And then what is social media marketing? Basically, it is a kind of technique which attracts the user by creating content where not only the content is created by the company, it can be generated by the users as well, which we call as user generated contents. It can be through blogs or through social networks, through communities, or through videos. So as I already told you that the basic objective for a company to develop social media strategy would be for creating customer engagement, for brand building purpose, or for lead generation and conversions. So these are the basic broad objectives or aims because of which the organization creates social media profile. Now, if you look at the framework of social media, then who are there? There can be marketers like organization, company. There can be Lakme, there can be Oreo, other brands, or the organization can create their own post. So there are marketers. Then there are influencers. We will discuss about influencer marketing. Influencers marketing is also on the rise. You will find that there are various persons like you and me who are advocating about the features of the brand. For instance, in case of mobile, you will find there are various sites on Facebook or there are various YouTube videos. Technical Guruji, they talk about mobile phones. Every new launch mobile phone, they provide a review. So they are known as influencers. They can influence you with their ideas. The organization, for an organization, the influencers are those who influence the consumer in making the purchase decision. Right. So you will find there are lots of influencers on the social media as well. You can also be the influencer for your peer group. The product which you use, you can highlight its benefits, and people will people who are liking you, following you, they will also come to know that okay, these are the brands which you are using and what is the benefit of this brand. So influencers are also there. And how they influence? Simply, by rating the products. You see that for a new movie, there are some experts, Komal Nahata is there, and they give you the ratings that why we should watch this movie, what is the rating. So product rating also they give comments, they give their opinions through blogs or by participating in various conversations. So they create a framework of social media, right? So these are the, you can say, the framework of social media, where you will find marketer who wants to promote its brand, who are there for its customers, who are there for lead generation, and then there are influencers who are everyday people like you and me, and they talk good about the brands, and then people start following them, and they are the influencers. Simple mode of social media: one person, he communicates, he access various products through Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, he promotes, and from one person you are seeing that it is communicated to thousands and then to lakhs. So this is how the spread of social media is there. So for the organization, they become very important, and we always say that human being is a social animal. We always get influenced. If you study the consumer buying behavior, then you will find that there are various factors which influences a consumer in purchasing a product. They can be social factors, psychological factors, cultural factors, personal factors. So all these factors are there which help the consumer in or influences the consumer for making decisions. So now these factors, if we move from word of mouth to word of Facebook, today we are getting influenced through the post on Facebook. If some of our friend or any influencer has wrote something about OnePlus or any other brand, then we tend to follow that and we would like to go about that brand. So how the influencers work, or how the customer are getting influenced, or how a user is getting influenced on social media. One can be compliance. Compliance means public conformity. Public conformity means if 10 persons are using this brand, if they are telling good thing about this brand, then it must be a good brand. So we, when suppose a new brand is launched, a new phone is launched, IQ, IOQ, whose Virat Kohli is promoting on social media. So as a user, if I am skeptical that whether I should go for this brand or not, if I find that already thousands of people have purchased this brand, thousands of people are communicating about this brand, they are sharing positive and negative both the things about the brand. So based on this, I will take my decision. Second thing is that we tend to confirm on the basis of what others are using or what others are saying, whether I've made the right decision or not. So that is also one way through which consumer gets influenced. Then you have identification. Identification means someone whom you are following on social media. If they are recommending, they are using, that person can be your friend, your uncle, your sister, or it can be a celebrity. So social media has become a very big platform for organization, for brands to communicate through celebrity marketing, through celebrity endorsement. And the celebrity gets paid based on the number of active followers they have. There was a case of falsifying this number of followers. Priyanka Chopra was named because she inflated the figures. There are various celebrity, they can, what they can do, they purchase these false followers or fake followers, or they are basically robots or bots. So what will happen that your number of followers get inflated, it gets increased, and then you can bargain with a company that, okay, you see, I have got 10 million followers. So the company also needs to be very clear about this, and they should first of all check, verify the facts that actually what is the number of followers, actual followers. So there are various tools available through which the company can verify that actual number of followers are how many. So identification with the brand, and if you are liking the celebrity, you tend to buy that brand also. Internalization. So once you like a product which you have started following on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, then you hear good things about the brand, bad things about the brand. Now gradually what happens that in your mind you start to have a good idea, like that is you have moved from awareness to a strong knowledge or to a likability towards the brand. You started liking that brand, or you started believing that, okay, this is a very good brand. Means that becomes a part of your behavior. That is internalized. Internalized means you are liking that brand, Apple, iPhone, and you are saying good things about that. So next time when you exchange or move, upgrade your phone, you again shift to the higher version of that phone. So this is the psychology of social influence, which is compliance, which means that you are seeing what others are doing. So if they are purchasing this, it must be a good brand. One thing. Second is association or identification with the person or the celebrity whom you like. So if your uncle is using that product whom you like, it must be a good brand. If you like Amitabh Bachchan and he is using that brand, it must be a good brand. And finally, once you start using hearing good, then a strong belief, opinion is formed in your mind, and then that becomes a part of your behavior. This is about the influence. How the companies categorize consumer activity means purpose. What is the purpose of using social media? There are so many social media and online platforms, forums. Basic purpose of that is what? Like the basic purpose of Facebook may be different from the basic purpose of Twitter. The company today uses Facebook for brand building, and they use Twitter for sharing some information. They use Twitter for grievance handling. If a customer has any problem, then they can tweet and the company try to resolve it. So the usage of Facebook and Twitter for a company is different, right? So that is the classification of various social media like YouTube, entertainment. It gives you a platform where you can target the user by showing a longer video, which is not possible in a traditional medium like television or radio. So you can create a 10-minute ad on YouTube, right? So that is a another platform where more and more people are glued. So, and LinkedIn, that is totally a professional network. There, the objective of LinkedIn is different. There, the company not only talks about a one particular brand, but overall, what services the companies are doing. So, it is a kind of corporate communication thing where the company are using LinkedIn for that. So, the objective of various social media platforms are different and based upon what the company wants to do. The company wants to create a campaign which should have a instant recognition, then they can create trending thing, hashtag trending now. For that, Twitter is more suitable. For brand building, for customer engagement, other medium can be used. So this is how the company classifies various customers This is a typical marketing funnel. What is this marketing funnel? It is used in all the different mediums. Either you talk about digital marketing or you talk about traditional marketing. If you look at this funnel, it talks about that initially the company's aim is to make the customers aware, whether they are aware about the brands or not. Now, if they are aware, then there should be some interest, how the company creates interest among them. Then you move to desire, creating a desire, likability for that brand. Then the customer will purchase the product. Once the customer purchases the product, he will become a he will start supporting the activities of the brand online. He will become gradually a loyal customer, and then he will advocate. He will promote the products by advocating that this is a good brand. Xiaomi is a good brand. This is a good brand. So they will start talking about the good things about the brand in the social media. So if you look at the funnel, then it suggests that initially at the awareness level, the size was big and gradually it has narrowed down. It means that all the customers whom I am targeting am actually not being able to convert to advocates. The ultimate aim of any organization is, any company, any brand is to reach the level of advocacy. Means the customer becomes the advocate of the brands. Today we how we recommend that go for Asian Paints, use Asian Paints. So we have become advocates of brands. We have become the advocates of products like Amul Doodh Pita India. So the company wants that ultimately you reach that stage. So every stage requires a different strategy to be adopted by the marketer. Every stage requires different strategies. So what are these strategies to be used by the organization? We will discuss all these things. Like the first stage, what is the company's strategy? What the company should use in the awareness stage? What happens at this stage? The product is introduced to the potential customer. So what you can do, you can publish advertisement on YouTube, you can tag with certain products. The company can use influencers like bloggers or those who have a good following on social media, and the company can target them so that they talk good things about the brand or give them the product sample. First step is that in case of awareness stage. Then you can have, then what the company can do is, first step is to create a Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram account, which does not require any amount money. So that the company can do, and allow new customers. The company can also ask the customers to broadcast their purchase. You have purchased a new phone, shot on this phone, post your selfie, right? So all these approaches the company can use in the awareness stage. Then the company can, what other approach the marketer can do when you enter the consideration stage? At this stage, what happens that the customers have developed interest and they want to consider your brand. So at this stage, what happens that the customer is looking for certain reviews for confirmation. So the company can publish ratings, that how many rating this product has got, reviews by experts, so that you can read those reviews, good comments by third party reviews like various softwares are reviewed by CNET or other respectable organizations. So based on their good comments, the company can create a favorable image about the brand. They can also create some moments on the Facebook or social media so that the people start discussing about the brand. They can also create some testimonials, or they can also use some satisfied customers who can share their actual reviews, which is true, which is actually what they have used. You will find on you will find on various websites, blogs, or uh, companies portals, some testimonials are mentioned. I have used this product, I found it is excellent. Not only that, on e-commerce and e-commerce site like Facebook, sorry, Flipkart and Amazon, you will find that good things about the brand is written. That is testimonials. So sometimes some good comments, sometimes bad comments are also written about the brand. Now, as I already said, that Twitter account can be set up, which will help to answer the customer queries. There are certain customer queries one to one the company can handle. The company can ask them to share their phone numbers, and our sales representative will reach you. All these things company can do. Then the company can use Google Analytics, and with that help, they can track the websites or blogs where the targeted customer. What happens that when we visit a website, and that if the company is using Google Analytics, then what will happen? They will use some links, which we call as cookies, or we call it as trackers. So what happens that if you visit, once you have visited that site and it has got a tracker, then you close and you switch to another website, you will find that ad is coming there also. The ad is displayed as a banner. It typically happens if you purchase on, if you are on Amazon or Flipkart, and you are visiting certain products like a shoe, and when you shift to a new website, you will find that that product is also displayed there. So that is, you are being tracked. So the company also uses this, and based on, with the help of Google Analytics, Web Analytics, they can track that, okay, this customer, this user is visiting these websites. So I can approach these websites also where the target customer is spending the time. Suppose our product is a company which is into edutech like Byju's or Vedantu. So the target audience is the parents as well as the students. So I would try to understand that where the student spends its time online. If he is visiting certain online competitive exam portals, so there I can also use the advertisement, right? So this is how the company or the marketer approaches. What else the marketer can do in case of preference stage? At this stage, the aim of the marketer is to, you start liking the product, you consider the product. So the marketer can show you the clips of product demonstration, how this washing machine is being used, how it helps to clean the clothes, how this microwave oven is being used. All these things the company can use by showing YouTube clips of demo. The company can use podcast, which is audio blogs, and interview where the you will find that some experts are explaining or giving the reviews or giving the interviews, that how we have used this product, how we have used Baiju, and how our life has got changed. So all these things the marketer can do in preference stage. The company can also highlight the related popular products, how this brand is better than the competitive products, right? And the company will provide tools to broadcast the purchase, means that we have discussed already, that Once you have purchased the product, please give a feedback or mention your purchase on Facebook or Twitter. So all these are usage of social media at this funnel. At this particular funnel, how the company uses different approaches for targeting the customers or users. Initially, these are the prospects. They have not been converted. Once they become the advocates, what they will do, they will give positive word of mouth about the brand. So this way, more and more customer will become aware. They will also give referrals. If I am happy with the product, if I am happy with the services of a particular hotel where I visited last year in summer, so I will recommend my friend that okay, you if you are going to Shimla, you visit that hotel only. So customer referral also is another medium through which awareness can be created. So all in all, this is how the company will get benefited. Right. Next class we will discuss about the social media marketing campaign. What are the steps in the next class? Right now you can ask any question from this session. If you have any doubt.
No, sir.
Hello.
No, sir. No, sir.
Yes. Okay. No. Everything is clear till now. किसी को कुछ पूछना है तो पूछिए.
सर
ओके सो
कैन आई
हाँ
आस्क?
पूछिए. हाँ यस यस.
सर इसमें जो सर स्टेजेस है सर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का, तो उसमें अवेयरनेस सर फर्स्ट स्टेप है, सेकंड स्टेप सर कंसिडरेशन है, और थर्ड स्टेप में सर क्या करेंगे सर?
हाँ
हेलो।
ये जो स्टेप्स है, नेक्स्ट स्टेप हो जाएगा परचेज. राइट. तो
जी।
अवेयरनेस, इंटरेस्ट, डिजायर, एक्शन, ये एक हम लोग आइडा मॉडल पढ़ते हैं तो वो स्टेप का पार्ट है. तो कंसिडरेशन का मतलब हो गया कि यू आर कंसिडरिंग टू परचेज द प्रोडक्ट. तो कंसिडरेशन स्टेज के बाद जो परचेज आप कर रहे हैं, दैट इन दैट स्टेज ऑल्सो हो सकता है कि आप परचेज ना करें, लास्ट मोमेंट चेंज कर दें माइंड. इन कंसिडरेशन स्टेज और
यस।
परचेज स्टेज में हो सकता है, सपोज you are purchasing through online, and in online if you find that website is having too many stages, एक स्टेज से अगर प्रोडक्ट पसंद आ गया तो उसको फिर ऐड टू कार्ट करके और परचेज करने में मिनिमम स्टेप होना चाहिए, और हाउ क्विकली योर पेमेंट इज एक्सेप्टेड. तो फास्टर कितना है. तो ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट. सेफ है या नहीं वो वेबसाइट, HTTPS है या नहीं है. So that can also make or break the decision. So Google Analytics or Web Analytics will help a company to understand this also. कि किस स्टेज पे जाके कस्टमर रिवर्स हो गया, क्या वो परचेज स्टेज तक हम लेके उसको आए सोशल मीडिया कैंपेन के थ्रू, एंड फाइनली इन ऑन फ्लिपकार्ट ही हैज रेड सम रिव्यूज, और रिव्यूज जो था वो पुअर रिव्यूज था. So on that stage, the customer has not decided to purchase the product. तो यहाँ तक भी आपका इम्पोर्टेंट रोल है. और इम्पोर्टेंट रोल क्या है कि आप फ्लिपकार्ट से या ई कॉमर्स से you cannot change the reviews what they are mentioned, but maybe good reviews are posted first. अच्छे रिव्यूज शुरुआत में आपको दिखाया जाए जिससे कि आपको लगे कि हाँ प्रोडक्ट जो है वही सही है. तो ये है.
यस। फास्ट फीडबैक सर डिपेंड्स ऑन कस्टमर।
अल्टीमेटली फाइनल फीडबैक डिपेंड्स अपॉन द कस्टमर. तो हमको सोशल मीडिया का यही रोल है कि हर स्टेप में, हर स्टेज में वो जो सोशल मीडिया यूज कर रहा है तो उस मीडियम को हम कैसे यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं. ट्रेडिशनल मीडियम तो वही है, हम उसको होर्डिंग दिखा रहे हैं, ऐड दिखा रहे हैं, पेपर में ऐड दे रहे हैं, घर घर सेल्स पर्सन जाकर उसको एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है. बट और मीडियम क्या है सोशल मीडिया में? के थ्रू हम जा सकते हैं। ये है।
यस
ठीक है। एनी अदर क्वेश्चन?
ओके सर थैंक यू
ओके
तो सर
ओके, ठीक है रुमना मैम, तो कंक्लूड करते हैं। आप भी अब रेस्ट कीजिए।
गुड नाइट सर।
हाँ, गुड नाइट, गुड नाइट।
हाँ प्रिया सर, सर चले गए। हेलो।